Solarium. It's great to see you. If this is your first time tuning in and you like the video, give me that thumbs up and subscribe so you can hang out on all these cool adventures. And I'm Erica, and I'm coming to you from Crushed. This is our 5th day on Odyssey of the Seas, and I'm up in the solarium. As you can see behind me, all the beautiful tropical plants, and then tons and tons of seating. But try not to get too many of the patrons in here. On my last cruise with Norwegian Bliss, which was a phenomenal cruise, there were 3 different ports, and I did excursions at every single port, and I really wore myself out. I tell you guys all the time, pay attention to your body. I have a really bad tendency of thinking I have more energy than I really do. I'll spend all of the energy at first and then wonder why I'm so tired. And Adam really likes the ships, so it's not necessarily the ports for him, it's the ship. So we're gonna spend time in the solarium. We just went and had breakfast, and then we got our awesome coffee. What did I get?
Did you get a chai?
I got a chai latte with almond milk. It's yummy, it's really good. So we're just gonna chill up here in the solarium, get in the hot tubs. It's a little bit overcast today, and I don't think that we are gonna get off the ship. We really like the ship, and the crew is fantastic. So we really wanna take advantage of that. That way we can report as much stuff as possible. And we'll probably head to the room around 12:30 to get changed, and then at 1:20, up in the iFly ripcord, we are going to go simulated skydiving. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I almost want to chicken out, but I won't. Adam's over here shaking his head. I won't chicken out. I will do it. It's, only for a couple minutes, and, Royal Caribbean, like I've said before, they do an amazing job of making sure that everyone stays safe. There are a ton of measures that are put in place to make sure that, no one gets hurt. And of course, yes, sometimes somebody may get injured, but it's not intentional. It's not because of the lack of attention. It just sometimes, crap happens, right? But not today, because I know that they do a good job of making sure that everybody stays safe. I'm going to try to push the bounds of my comfort zone and do that, and I think that I will really like it. I think it will 100% line up with that mantra, love the life that I'm in, try something new. I've never done this before, so this is kind of wild, and I'll have Adam take some footage so that, we can capture that and I can share that with you. And then after that, I know we're gonna get some lunch, and I'll show you what the port looks like. It's not like Cozumel and St. Thomas and St. Martin. Those ports are extremely built up, and they have beautiful shops where you can get off and you can go shopping. It's not exactly like that here. I will take you with me to the iFly by Ripcord skydiving, and you can experience that with me. So hopefully that will encourage you to also try something new, get to the edge of your comfort zone, know what your limitations are so that you can take care of yourself, because the whole point of this is to take care of you and to recenter, recharge, be with yourself, love that life that you're in, and of course, don't forget, even if you're just sitting in the hot tub, be intentional, be mindful, be present, and that, to me, is crushing it. Okay, we're heading to the back of the ship to go do the skydiving. It's controlled skydiving. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got this. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go up there.
This is as good a day as any
The helmets for all of you.
to
You guys
start
ready?
the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's morning has a clearer light as any, to see the horizon and the fall. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good